Yesterday in the internet, Laura found out that there are some grapes growing here in Bunutan beach. I've been hundreds and hundreds of times in this place, but I never know that there are actually some grapes. What we decided to come to this place and just to see how it's growing here. So, okay, let's go and check out what is there.
Look at these grapes, very beautiful. And here it's possible to just collect by yourself, and you just pay 20,000 per kilo. That's it.
That's additional enjoyment when you can choose actually what you buy. You can take it from the tree. The harvest is... It's insane how many grapes you actually have at the moment here. It's like everywhere. Selamat siang, Pak. Live video?
Yeah, video. How are you?
Bagus, kamu?
Bagus.
My neighbor previously.
Yeah?
Both of them, my neighbors.
No, we want to cut by ourselves, okay?
Can we? Yeah.
Yeah, because...
Okay, no problem.
Bagus.
Over there.
There?
There is
This
more
in it?
ripe. Okay.
Okay, so what we just got, we got a basket
And Caesar.
and scissors, and so now we will go and cut.
Which we want.
Oh, that's good attraction actually.
No.
Just first try. Maybe they are not eatable. How is that?
Need to take a ripe. It is really dark.
Pretty sour,
Yeah.
but I think they're gonna become better after a while. I think that's the best actually, because if you buy, if you are able to take as much you want, so then you always buy more than you need actually. Just imagine if I would go to the shop, I would probably just buy maybe 1 kilo, because here you can take as much you want, but probably you will take more than 1 kilo, right?
Look at this. Beautiful. I think it's enough, or you think we
can
should take more?
Take a little bit more.
You know what this one reminds me? You remember our trip in Ukraine? When
Yeah.
that old grandpa gave us also scissors and we got so many grapes.
I don't know, we bought probably like 10 kilos
Yeah,
that time.
that grapes was super yummy. Okay, I think it's enough.
The place is pretty big, it's about I think it's like a half of the hectare. Yeah, really big one. And I think they did really well. They did really right when they announced it that they have a grapes, because a lot of people actually from all around Amed, they are coming to this place, and now actually they can sell more. Wish I know all these technologies of the wine, how to make a wine, and then I would make some wine. Definitely. We are in a Bunutan. That's the place where I lived more than 2 years before we moved to Amed area, when Laura arrived, and then we started to rent the house in different place. There on the back, that's the hill where all my hiking adventures actually started. That's where I was hiking every single morning, up and down like 2 or 3 times. That was a couple of years ago when I did my morning hike in this place. So I would like to try it again. Previously it took around 15 minutes to get up and down. Let's check out how I've been improved, or maybe became slower than previously. Anyway, so I don't have any proper shoes. I have my Crocs. I think it doesn't change anything for me anymore, let's try it. That was just a short intro. Of course, I'm not going to do this way, but I forgot my watch today, so I'm going to use the stopwatch from my phone. Okay, I'm going. We'll try to do as fast as I can. Previously, I was also doing the same when I started hiking, because I just lived across the street here. So, okay, I'm going. Laura will stay here. There's no more that trail where I did hiking previously, so I had to break through the bush. I lost the time. It doesn't matter. It's just because they've been cutting bush, and that's why the trail is like under the bush, cutted bush. That's the view. And that's the small temple I've been always hiking to. It's cleaned up. Always brought up some, you know, that smoking sticks. I don't know what is the name of that. And I put always here. And always some little offering. And then I did every morning, 3 times up and down. In a good days. Well, usually it was just up and down. Okay, so we'll start running down now. The soil is really slippery, and with the Crocs, there is no, it doesn't make any grip at all. It's like a kind of, I have to be really careful. Yep, that was one attempt fall. That was the second one. Still on my feet. In the morning when I woke up, I thought it will be day off from training or any physical activities. Yeah, that's how I always end up. I'm on the bottom again. Okay, let's check the time. Okay, 22 minutes, 21 minutes. Whew. Yeah, but there was no trail at all. So, so that was a kind of the thing. Anyways, thank you very much for watching. Hope you like our grapes and hiking today. And subscribe, follow on Instagram and Facebook, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.